I'm reminded of the fish story that David Foster Wallace, another one of my favorite writers, described in a commencement speech 20 years ago. The story goes, two young fish are swimming along when they encounter an older fish swimming the opposite way. The older fish nods and says, "Morning, boys. How's the water?" The young fish swim on, and eventually one turns to the other and asks, "What the hell is water?" The illusion of the forward progress of time is water in this metaphor. As humans, we're fully immersed in it. But enlightenment, in part, involves being able to step back and get a glimpse at another deeper perspective on reality, where all things are inextricably interconnected across both time and space. Another key lesson from the novel that was especially formative to me as a young man was that one should not blindly follow others or learn about the world exclusively through books, but rather forge your own path and thrust yourself into the world where the lessons of life can only be learned by experiencing them directly. And every experience, both positive and negative, mistakes, suffering, and even seemingly wasted time, is all an essential part of growth. To this point, Hesse draws a distinction between knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge can be taught by others. Wisdom can only be gathered through experiencing the full mess of life yourself. In other words, the path to understanding isn't through rejection of the world, but through complete immersion in it.